Is your automatic door maintenance up to par? Proper maintenance ensures smooth operation and safety in diverse settings. Discover how regular checks can prevent breakdowns and reduce costs. Start with a visual inspection, ensuring the area is clean and unobstructed. Check for any visible damage to panels or frames. Conduct an operational test to ensure smooth door movements. Verify sensor functionality by testing from various angles. Ensure safety sensors stop the door if an obstruction is detected. Weekly inspect emergency exit functions and lubricate moving parts. Check for mechanical wear and tear. Monthly, inspect wiring and test the battery backup system. Replace damaged weather stripping or seals. These tasks ensure reliability and safety. Recalibrate sensors for optimal performance. Inspect the drive mechanism, lubricating as needed. Check glass for damage and ensure it's securely fitted. Perform software updates to maintain functionality. These steps prevent premature failures. Biannually, have a technician perform a thorough inspection. Verify compliance with safety codes. Annually, review all components and update maintenance records. Evaluate door performance under different conditions. These inspections ensure long-term efficiency. Transform maintenance with eAuditor's digital solution. Use QR codes for quick access to maintenance history. Set smart reminders for scheduled tasks. Backup data to the cloud for easy sharing. Analyze data to optimize your schedule. Auditor revolutionizes your maintenance workflow with comprehensive features. From setup to daily logging, it covers all aspects of management. Ensure your automatic doors operate safely and efficiently.